Ho means everyone good in Cantonese. Now I'm going to do a simple unboxing video of my CraftBot 3D printer from Craft in Hungary. This will be the part 1, something very simple. Well, here you see blue color filament. There we have AC cable, USB A and B cable. That's the wrench to mount and to secure the filament spool. And that's the filament spool holder. 0.3 mm CraftBot spacer type, craft unique sticker. And that's the USB that contains the craft brand. These are my clothes. And well, ta-da! Here we have my orange color CraftBot 3D printer. I actually got to know about the CraftBot's 3D printer from Craft in Hungary, from the Indiegogo campaign way back in August of this year. And I'm glad that I funded their campaign. We have a wonderful bunch of people in the Craft Unique team and many great people among the backers for this campaign too. This CraftBot printer weighs about 15 kilograms. It's best to hold at the side where there are places to grip it. Okay. Well, that's the end of part 1.